Cook, where is your homework? T. Jimin sir, yesterday we went to meet our relatives. That's why we couldn't do that. Sorry. Jimin, Cook, what's your reason to not complete your homework? Cook, sir, same as T. We are twins now, set with cute puppy eyes. Jimin, this is third time in a week when you both didn't complete your homework. I'm leaving you today, but if this happen again, then I won't leave you. Remember this. T. Cook, thank you so much, sir. It won't happen again. Jimin, started teaching. So class, tomorrow I will take the test of chapter 7 to 10 as I already revised this chapter. So I don't think any of you have any problem. Everyone, no sir. Jimin, then good. Be fully prepared for tomorrow's test. Left. T. Cookie, now what will we do? Cook, nothing TT. When will we listen to any professor? Time is kept at home. T. Cook were playing video game instead of studying for tomorrow's test. Suddenly someone came inside and saw them. What are you doing here? T. Cook looked at him with scared eyes. Yoongi Yang. Yoongi, me. But why did you shocked to see me? It's my house. Obviously I came here. T. No. You always come late, so we got shocked to see you early. Yoongi, I don't have any work, so I thought to come home early. Cook gave him a glass of water. Yang, water. Yoongi took the glass from his hand. Thanks, Cook. T. Yang, did you already eat your meal? Yoongi, not yet. And you too? Cook, we also haven't. Yoongi looked at the wall clock, then raised his one eyebrow. And why so? It's already very late. T. We were playing the game. We will eat after this round. Yoongi, you only play all the time. Don't you get any homework to do? Cook, no, our professors were absent today. T. And yeah, our school believes in self-studies rather than burdening the paperwork on students. Yoongi, impressive. At my time, schools weren't like this. T. Because your time was different, Yang. Yoongi, maybe, but don't forget to study. It's very important for you too. T. Cook, we are studying hard, Yang. You don't need to worry. Yoongi, now come for dinner. I'm reheating the food. T. Cook, we will come after this round, Yang. Yoongi, should I break this video game? T. Cook, scared. We are coming, Yang. Why so angry? Name, Min Yoongi, is 26 years old. Profession, mafia. Ruthless, always behaves cold. Super strict, never give anyone second chance. Never accept any mistake. He's sly, anti-romantic. Name, Min Taeyang, is 16 years old. Profession, high school student. Super cute and naughty. Drama king, always ready to create troubles for himself. Good at his studies, but doesn't wanna do. Expert in lying, scared a lot from Yoongi. Behaves like a good boy, but only in front of Yoongi. Name, Min Jungkook, is 16 years old, twin of T. Profession, high school student. Super cute and naughty, too innocent, always ready to help T in his mischievous deed. Good at his studies and sports. T's partner in crime, lying but not like T. Scared a lot from Yoongi but behaves like a good boy in front of him. Being a mafia, Yoongi couldn't focus on T Cook's studies. He provides them everything. He scolds and punished them whenever he found their mistakes. He mostly spent his time in his work, so didn't pay attention on T Cook. T Cook took the advantage of his busy life. They aren't like bad boys. They are just too naughty, especially T. Cook is all innocent, but he can't leave T's side, so he also involved with his naughtiness and ended up being punished. They never misbehaved with anyone, but expert in lying, especially T. He lies like water. He always finds excuses to escape himself from the studies. Time skipped at next day. It was Jimin's cabin. He was very furious on T Cook They again didn't complete their homeworks. They failed in their test. They didn't study even after getting the warning from Jimin. They thought they will again escape like as always, but they forgot that Jimin wasn't like other professors who easily trapped in their plan. He is different from others. He can't make him fool. He is super strict professor who only gives you one chance to explain yourself. Jimin loudly slammed his hand on the table. Why haven't you completed your homeworks yet? Team gulped hard to see his angry face. We went outside, that's why we couldn't do this. Sorry. Jimin crossed arm. You have pending works, you have tests, then also you went outside. I must say, you both have so much guts to disobey me. Team scared to see his anger. No, sir. There was some emergency in our family. That's why we have to go outside. We were studying, but unfortunately, we have to go. We didn't have any other option. Jimin, do you think I'm a fool who doesn't understand the difference between reality and excuses? T-Cook shook their head vigorously. No, sir, we are saying the truth. We aren't lying. Jimin took the cane. Show me your palm. You will get 20 strokes for failing in the test and 10 strokes for not completing your homework. T-Cook, super scared. Please, sir, let us go only this time. We promise it won't happen ever. Jimin slammed the cane on the table. Today I will make sure you won't forget to do your homework. Now quickly show me your palm. When T-Cook didn't show their palm, Jimin forcefully showed Cook's palm and started hitting it non-stop till 15 stroke and repeated this with his other palm too. T was crying and screaming his lungs out, which scared T even more because he is much more stronger than him. Jimin did the same with T too. Their hands turned blood red. They were crying mess, but did Jimin feel any mercy on them? Nah, he is way more than stricter than he looks. Jimin, now stop your crying and start doing your all the pending works. You aren't allowed to go outside without completing your all the pending works. And yeah, one more thing, I want everything in clean handwriting. Otherwise, you have to repeat your work until you write it in clean handwriting. Tomorrow I will take your retest. Now start doing your work. T-Cook immediately opened their bag and started doing their work. They were so scared from Jimin. They never got this much scared from Yoongi. They couldn't able to hold their pens because of pain, but still tried to write. They don't want to get any punishment from Jimin. Name Park Jimin, age 25 years old, profession school professor, super strict, sassy, never scared from anything or anyone, never hesitate to say the truth. When he teaches, then everyone should focus on him. With lots of difficulties, T-Cook completed their all the work. Jimin checked their work and allowed them to go. Time skipped at home. It's evening time. T-Cook was studying for tomorrow's retest. They were so scared from Jimin's punishment. They don't want to get more hits. That's why they were sincerely studying. Yoongi came there and got super shocked to see T-Cook studying. For him, it's a miracle. He couldn't believe on his eyes. He silently went behind the couch and peeked inside their books to check do they really study or do anything else. Yoongi in mind, what happened to them today? How can they study? Definitely something happened with them, but what? Let me ask to them. Yoongi, what happened? T-Cook flinched hard at the sudden voice. Ah, Hyang! Sighed in relief. You scared us. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Why did you scare? Hyang, if you speak out of sudden from nowheres, then anyone can be scared. Yoongi, oh, like that. Cook, by the way, Hyang, when did you come? We didn't even know this. Yoongi sat in between them. I'm a mafia. Did you both forget about this? T, sad face. Yoongi looked both of their face. What happened to you both? Your eyes are red and puffy. Your face is all pale. It is their forehead. Are you unwell? T. No, Hyang, we are perfectly alright, don't worry. Cook. Yes, Hyang, we are fine. No, let us study. We have test tomorrow. We have to cover lots of chapters. Yoongi, from where's the sunrise today? You both are desperate to do study. T. Hyang, please stop teasing us. We have to complete lots of chapters. Otherwise, immediately looked down to control his tears. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Otherwise, what? Looked at Cook. Cook, what does T mean? Cook immediately looked down. I don't know, Hyang. Yoongi, certainly. Cook, stop lying. I know you know everything, but don't wanna tell to me. T silently wiped his tears. Nothing, Hyang. Please let us study. Opened his notebook and started studying. Yoongi quickly snatched his book. I want the answer, Tyang. T screamed in pain because notebook rubbed his bruised palm. Ah! Yoongi suspiciously looked at T. What happened? Show me your hands. T immediately hid his hands behind his back. Nothing happened. Yoongi forcefully grabbed his hand and opened it. What's this? Got furious to see the bruises and immediately checked his other hands. How did you both get this? Who did this? Said while grinding his teeth. T Cook stayed silent. They didn't dare to say anything. They were scared. What if Yoongi got to know about their lying things? Then what will he do with them? When they can't handle Jimin's punishment, then how will they handle Yoongi's punishment, who is a ruthless mafia and hates lies? Yoongi stood up and shouts, I'm asking from you two, and here you are silent. Tell me what happened with you two. Hearing Yoongi shout, T-Cook flinched hard and started shivering. Yoongi looked at their state and calmed down himself. He again sat in between T-Cook and lovingly stroked their head. They couldn't hold themselves more and started crying loudly while hugging him. Yoongi, it's okay, cry as much as you want. I don't stop you. After a few minutes, they were done with their crying. Yoongi made them drink water. Are you fine now? T-Cook cutely sniffed. Yes, Hyang. Yoongi, now tell me what happened. How you both get bruises? Did your professor beat you? Tell me everything honestly. Cook, if I tell you, then you will be angry. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Why would be I angry? T, we got less marks in our tests. Our professor punished us. He told us that he will take retest tomorrow, and if we haven't done well, then he will punish us more. One tear dropped. We don't wanna get any punishments. That's why we are studying. It hurts so much. Yoongi, super mad. What the hell? How can he beat you like this? No need to scare. Your Hyang is here. I will talk to your professor. T-Cook, no, please don't talk to him. He will punish us more. Yoongi, why are you scared, baby? Don't you have trust on your Hyang? T-Cook, we have. Yoongi, then leave everything on me. Now you shouldn't worry about anything. Come, let's have our dinner. Time skipped at next day. Jimin was sitting in his cabin. Yoongi came there with T-Cook and sat in front of Jimin, who was reading a book. T, shaky voice. Good morning, sir. Jimin looked at T-Cook. Good morning. Are you ready for the test? Yoongi, they won't give any of your stupid test. Jimin looked at him. Why? And who are you to speak in between us? Yoongi, I'm their Hyang, Min Yoongi. You must be heard my name. Jimin, why would be I heard such a outdated name? Said Cecily. Yoongi, Sassy, I liked it. How dare you to beat my brothers? Jimin put the cane in front of table. I beat them by this, Mr. Outdated. Yoongi, I like your sassiness, but you did the biggest mistake of your life to beat the brother of Mafia Min Yoongi. Put the gun on the table. Jimin looked at the gun and chuckled. So you came here to threaten me. For your kind information, I'm not afraid of you. If you don't want me to beat your brothers, then tell your brothers to study well and don't lie. Yoongi, my brothers never lie. Jimin raised his one eyebrow. Really? So you are outdated by your minds too, as well as your name. Your brother have the habit of lying. They are lying like water. As a young, it's your responsibility to take care of their studies and teach them good values. But instead of correcting them, you came here to threaten me. I'm not scared of you, Mr. Outdated. I will do all those things which is good for my students. You are such a careless young. Now excuse me, I have lectures left. Yoongi in mind. First time someone dared to open his mouth in front of Min Yoongi. I liked his sassiness. Very soon I will make you mine. Yoongi to Taekook. Now let's go to home. T. Hyang, are you angry on us? Yoongi, I was angry but not now. Because of you both. Finally I found my match. I am so thankful towards you, both of you. Cook, thankful? What are you saying, Hyang? We didn't understand anything. Yoongi, you don't need to understand anything. Let's go to home. Time escaped after some times. Yoongi was desperately waiting for someone in the restaurant. He became restless. First time in his life he is waiting for someone. Otherwise all the people were waiting for him. Tapped on his shoulder. Excuse me. Yoongi looked at him and immediately stood up. Thank you so much for coming here. Please have a seat, Mr. Sassy. Gave him his hand. Park Jimin. Yoongi shook their hands. Thanks for coming here. Jimin, so now tell me, why did you call me here? Yoongi, first of all, I'm sorry for my earlier behavior. I shouldn't threaten you. Jimin, okay. Yoongi, you are right. I should give my brothers more attention but couldn't give because of my busy schedule. So I want a favor from you. Jimin, my favor? Tell me everything clearly. What do you want from me? I'm ready to help you. Yoongi, I want you to take care of my brothers' studies and manners. I want you to teach them good things. Jimin, they are your brothers. What can I do in this? Yoongi, then become the part of our family. Jimin raised his one eyebrow. Excuse me? Yoongi, I mean become Taekook's caretaker and shift in my mansion. Don't worry, I will pay you any amount for this. Please don't deny my offer. It's for my brother's future. Jimin, alright, but I want everything by my ways. Yoongi, I agreed. Time skipped after a month. It's been a 1 month since Jimin shifted into Min Mansion. He took care of Taekook and Yoongi's responsibilities very well. Taekook started taking their studies sincerely and stopped lying. Yoonmin were getting close day by day. Yoongi fell in love with Jimin at very first day. Jimin also fell in love with Yoongi after spending time with him, but they didn't confess to each other. They all started living their life like a happy family. Taekook were also very comfortable with Jimin. From past few days, Yoongi didn't give Jimin enough time. That's why he is quite angry from him. Yoongi, why are you still awake? You shouldn't wake up till late night. You have to go school too. Jimin removed Yoongi's long cape. Don't teach me what should I do or not. I'm serving the dinner. Go and freshen up. Left without listening to Yoongi. Yoongi to himself. Look like he is very angry on me. I have to do something really fast before he burst on me. Went to kitchen. He came into the kitchen and saw Jimin was reheating the food in the microwave. So he went near him and tightly back, hugging him while wrapping his big veiny hands around his tiny waist and pulled him more closer to himself. Yoongi rubbed his nose on Jimin's neck and inhaled his scent. Did Taekook sleep? Jimin, while doing his work, no. They went to their friend's house for party. They will be back in few hours. I sent driver and 2 bodyguards with them. Yoongi, okay. Please few kisses on his neck. Are you still angry on me? Jimin, shouldn't I? Yoongi, yeah, you should be. Now tell me, how should I apologize with you? Jimin, just leave me. Yoongi turned him around and pinned him near the wall. That's not possible. You have to live with me till our last breath. You are only Min Youngis. Now let me feel you good. Accept my apology. Jimin was wearing red silk nightrobe which revealed his milky white chest a little bit. He attached his lips on his neck and gently started kissing and trailed round till his chest. He held a knot of rope and tried to open it, but Jimin held his hand. Jimin, it's wrong. You can't make me yours by this. Yoongi backed away from Jimin and went somewhere and quickly returned back with some papers and gave to Jimin. Yoongi, for you. Jimin, what's this? Yoongi, your question's answer. Now read it properly. Jimin started reading the papers. It's teary eyes. Yoongi, yes, it's marriage contract. Give him a pen. I already signed on it. You also signed it and officially become Min Jimin from Park Jimin. I want you on my side till my last breath. Jimin, tears started flowing from his eyes. Yes, I will be become Min Jimin. I will be with you till our last breath. Signed on the papers. Yoongi quickly wiped his tears by his thumb. Min Jimin isn't allowed to cry. These pretty eyes are only meant for smiling. Kissed on his both the eyes. With that, Yoongi smacked his lips with Jimin's and started kissing him slowly but patiently. They both were totally lost in each other's arms. Their kiss was filled with love, no intention to win over each other, no hunger, only pure love for each other. Their romantic moments broke when Tiku came there and saw them in the kitchen. Yoongi was hovering over Jimin so they couldn't see what were they doing. Hyang, Yoongi broke the kiss and turned around. You both come early? Cook, party ended so we came. What are you doing here? Yoongi picked him in his arm. Your professor needs to learn some biology lessons, so I was helping him. Now move aside. We have to complete our whole process. Don't you dare to disturb us. We live from there. Taekook was standing there with dumbfounded. They were looking at Yoongi with confused eyes because they don't understand the meaning of Yoongi's statements. Cook, did you understand anything? What did Hyang say? T shook his head carelessly. No, Cook, I also didn't understand anything. Cook, why do physics professor learn biology lesson and from whence Hyang started giving biology classes? I also don't understand. Let's go and ask from Hyang. Cook, you are right, T. With that, they both came towards Yoongi's room. Room was locked, but some soft noise of coming. Taekook stopped at their place and looked at each other's face with confused eyes. Cook, what's noise that? It's coming from inside. Cook, maybe Hyang was punishing Jimin sir because he couldn't understand anything or did some mistake and he started crying, said innocently. That could be possible. We also cried a lot when Jimin sir punished us. We should protect him. Our super innocent Taekook, he started banging the door loudly and Yoongi came outside. He was looking super irritated and mad. Yoongi, what's the problem, Why are you disturbing us? It's very late. You should sleep. Go to your room and sleep. Now don't you dare to disturb us. Angrily locked the door. Cook, Hyang is looking very mad. We will talk to him tomorrow, okay? Now let's go, otherwise he will beat us too. Jimin screamed, yeah, you are right. They both immediately ran from there after hearing Jimin's scream. They got very scared because of these stupid Taekook. We have to suffer too. We were happily enjoying their kitchen romance. Today, Taekook ruined our mood. Love shouldn't be perfect, it should be true. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was requested one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Today, because of tea cook, our mood is spoiled. See, I can't write smurs. It's not like I can't write it. I just don't wanna write because some of my readers are too young and innocent. But I can give you lots of butterflies. Do you want it? If yes, then drop down your ideas. I will make it super romantic. I will soon start season 3 of my strict professor husband. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.